What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to log out of your account on the Gmail app. So in order to do this, you're obviously just going to open up your Gmail app. And once you have it open here, you're going to hit your profile picture for your Gmail in the upper right hand corner. From here, you're going to click Manage Accounts on this device all the way at the bottom. And then it's going to come up with all your Gmails that are on here. The one that you want to log out of, you're going to click Remove from this device. It's just going to come up with this little blurb here that all the unused data will be removed and all the Google apps on the device it'll log out of. Then you're just going to want to confirm this and just hit Remove. And then once you do that, it'll log you out of that account. And then nobody that goes on this device, including yourself, will be able to access that account for any of the Google related apps that you're signed into. You could also just log back in to get back into the account and it'll automatically log you back in for all the apps. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you had any questions or were confused at all how this works, be sure to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.